Come on. 5:89 a.m. Come to this amazing place. We sell the best food. I know I'm a burger, but we don't sell burgers, but yeah.
Okay, this is the 5-star cafe I was telling you about. It's called Yookey's Bird.
Oh my gosh, the line is so long. We're really gonna have to wait this long, Morgan? Like, this is insane. Why do you always make me wait so long? I don't like it here. Why?
Well, this is a really good cafe, so it's worth the wait.
In this cafe, you can also work, do your work, you can eat, you can talk to your friends, you
Just
can
do a Yookey's Bird.
You can do so many things. It is the coolest cafe you'll ever see. I guarantee that. Don't even understand.
Did I ask? Yeah. Anyways, Jelly, let's go. It might not be that long of a wait. Like,
Alright, let's go.
yeah. Hi! Hi!
Hey, me and my son, Fanny Felipe, hates Jacksonville Jaguars, want a black ice espresso and with caffeine because we want to be hyper.
Is that the actual name of your son?
Are you stupid? Yes, it is.
Oh, please. You are literally so
What was that?
Oh, that's just my son. He's a little kooky.
Oh my god, if you don't have anything to order, then just don't come here. It's not that hard, bro. Like,
Oh my god, did you just call me bro? That is so bad. If you can fulfill me and my son's needs, I'm out. So bye. Oh, that was so sweet, baby. Hey girl, why not a fan? Yeah, why should a fan? Stop! Oh, I'm just kidding, okay? Stop judging him!
Oh my god, the dude's not coming. That is so mean. I can't believe this, people. Pause.
what's with the high-pitched voice? I'm trying to study for a math exam. Shut up.
God, me too.
I'm sorry. Just you guys are just so hurting my feelings. Like she caught me. I can't feel it caught her. My feelings.
Oh my gosh, this line is so long.
Yeah, oh my god.
Why can't I just go faster?
Guys, you like my shirt.
No.
No.
See, I've been waiting so long. God, I've been
Let's
waiting
go.
so long. So yeah, okay. Yes. Oh my god. Hey, so
What would you like from this place?
Yeah.
Wait, was this one? Are you kidding me? Morgan, are you kidding me?
I thought it was. I'm
Ma'am, you cannot have those. Those are not for you. Those are legendary. They are mine. My no.
We're done with that.
Oh, that bird looks cute. I want it.
Mine.
Oh, you can't steal that bird. That's a legendary bird. Stop. I know it's cute, but it's Yookey's bird. Like the place is called.
Oh my gosh. She just stole Yookey's bird.
Oh my god, that's so illegal.
She stole Yookey's bird. Oh my gosh, this is insane. What is she doing? She just stole Yookey's bird. What's this restaurant gonna be named now since the bird is gone? This is crazy. This is a crime. What is going on? Oh my god, bro. What the heck? We need to sue her. She's gonna die. Someone stole my bird! Oh, strawberry. Beans. This will make me feel better if I keep eating the beans. It'll be fine. Everything is fine. My bird is not gone. I'm eating. Wait, no, I'm not eating my bird. My bird! Who did this? It was that girl. That girl who left the store without the stuff. She left. She like literally zoomed out of here. Oh, I'm going to find her. She does have my bird! Give me my bird back! Return my bird! Morgan, what should I do with this bird?
Kill them.
That sounds like a good response. How?
I don't know. Put them in the moon.
The bird went to the moon! This is insane! We gotta go on the news!
Oh my god, I can't believe we did that. Let's go back home.
Let's go to the moon. Whee!